Giants don't often come in 5'1", but we can see a giant in RBG. Well, everyone knows the part she played, turning the world she got into the one she made. How the strength of her spirit has inspired us from the start. Oh, you take the words of a woman like that to heart. Get it right, keep it tight, work all night. Take it from the ref, be a little deaf. She says lasting progress is often slow, and though some days we wear the descent jabot, with steadfast commitment we can see this through, and the world will come around to our point of view. RBG speaks for me. She is amazing. I wish that I could be like RBG. She speaks for me. She's a force in the fight for equality. There's no lawyer who can match her as an advocate for our equal stature. A voice for you and me, RBG. When it's rough, you get tough, tough enough. You didn't choose to have to overpay your dues, but the headwinds below, the old storms rage, and the pedestal they put you on is really just a cage. When the ceiling above you is as firm as you've ever known, it can be a comfort to know you're not alone. 'Cause RBG speaks for me. She's amazing, we all wish we could be like RBG. She speaks for me. She's a force in the fight for equality. There's no lawyer who can match her as an advocate for our equal stature. A voice for you and me, RBG. From Reading and Carhartt to Shelby and Walmart, the justice has shown us time and again. Every term's a reprise in fairness and reason, and we can trust in her pen like in Hobby Lobby. Shouldn't let the steeple overshadow we the people. And every letter keeping it real. Her authenicity's why I feel that RBG speaks for me. It's amazing, I wish that I could be. RBG says he or she, we should be free to control our destiny. And when there are times when it feels wrong to relent, it's our patriotic duty to say I dissent, and to find the strength to be like RBG. Tenacity, fighting a good fight since 1933 with dignity and decency. RBG will go down in history, because after 25 years serving on the court, we said 25 more would be too short for the justice who speaks for me, RBG. Ooh, ooh, ooh. RBG.